Wow, look at what we have today. This is just baked chicken with potatoes. So pollo al forno con patate, just basically oven baked chicken with potatoes. Look at all the herbs and all the spices. I'm just so tempted to try this. I can't wait to eat it, especially after a 13 and a half hour workday. Just coming and eating something as delicious as this is something very, very appetizing and something that I look forward to. This recipe was actually inspired by Laura Vitale. You can find her YouTube in YouTube. And she has like over 2 million subscribers. She's got some great recipes. And it actually inspired T to make this exact recipe. And she'll actually take it away with you and basically tell you what she had to do to come up with this delicious food. So T, why don't you take it away? Let the audience know basically, you know, what's comprised of this recipe.
I looked it up online from YouTube. It's pretty simple. In a bowl, I mix all the spices like onion, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then marinated for a few minutes. And then I added the chicken. Let it sit for about 3 or 2 hours, and then put it in the oven.
That sounds
for 1 hour.
Pretty simple.
Yes.
What about the degrees? What's the heat?
It was for 425. Set it for 425 for 1 hour, and then it's done.
Wow. And it came out just like this. And when I looked at it, like when I looked in the oven, I was like, it's burnt, like a Gordon Ramsay does. But it's really not. It's actually all the herbs that they're just crusted on there, all the herbs and all the beautiful flavors that are on there. But look at this. When I just hold up this garlic, like it's literally mushy. And if you can eat that, and when you do eat it, oh, it just tastes so good. It's just so good and so tasty. The flavors extracted from this are just really, really flavorful. So I would definitely recommend that you check out this recipe. It could be found on Laura Vitale's YouTube. I'll post a link in the description for her YouTube, and then you can find all of her recipes. Laura, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you very much for such an awesome recipe and for inspiring people to make awesome dishes. So anyways, guys, Savory Saturday, pollo al forno. I'm so sorry. Pollo al forno. My gosh, I'm just so excited to eat that I'm rolling my R's way too fast. T, repeat after me. Pollo al forno con patate. Very good. Yep.
I'm a great student.
Thank you for all your hard work. Hey, thanks for dropping by. We'll see you in the next videos. Take care and be well. Ciao, 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 ciao.
Ciao.